Welcome back to EV Trek Adventures, where the Tesla updates hit harder than a Kansas crosswind. The 2025 holiday update version 2025.44.25.1 just landed on my 2022 Model 3 with Hardware 3, and today we're going to find out if this thing is a gift from Santa or a regift from your weird uncle who doesn't keep receipts. Let's start with the big flashy stuff, because that's why we're here. First up, Grok AI Navigation. Your Tesla can now understand when you talk like a normal human. No more robotic commands. No more sounding like an angry GPS from 2004. You say, "Take me to Target, then Starbucks," and the car goes, "Got it, let's go spend money." We've also got 3D Supercharger Site Maps, little digital dioramas of charging stations. It's like SimCity for EV nerds. You can see the stalls, layout, and how awkward the parking lot is before you roll in. And then there's the practical stuff, automatic HOV lane routing. If you're allowed in the carpool lane, the car can route you into it automatically, like it actually wants you to be on time for once. Save charge limit by location. Set a different charge limit at home, work, or your favorite supercharger, and the car remembers. Honestly, this feature is the equivalent of your Tesla finally learning your coffee order. Phone left on wireless charger. The car now tattles on you if you forget your phone on the charging pad, which is great because losing your phone in a Tesla is like losing a contact in a swimming pool. Technically retrievable, emotionally devastating. Now, it wouldn't be a holiday update without some fun stuff that exists purely because life should be fun. Introducing Tesla Photo Booth. You can now turn your car into a selfie studio. Filters, frames, holiday vibes. It's basically a photo booth at the mall, except the mall is in your driveway and you're the one paying the lease. We also get an updated light show. New patterns, better timing, and way more chances to annoy your neighbors in the most feasible way possible. Set it up in the cul-de-sac and boom, instant HOA email. Dog mode live activity is here too. You can see that your dog is vibing in the car right from your phone's lock screen. Climate on, pupper comfy, and you get real-time peace of mind. 10 out of 10 would monitor again. The paint shop lets you preview different car colors right from your screen. So now you can pretend you bought 3 different Teslas without actually destroying your bank account. What if I had red? What if I had blue? What if I had restraint? And because Tesla knows we're all secretly space obsessed, there's a new game, SpaceX Docking Simulator. It's like docking the Dragon capsule, but instead of astronauts depending on you, it's just your ego. Perfect. I put Grok Navigation to the test. I said, "Take me to Target, then add Dairy Queen." And the car just did it. No arguing. No, did you mean Taco Bell in another state? Just clean multi-stop routing like it's 2025 or something. You can add, remove, or reorder stops with your voice, which is huge if you're road tripping, running errands, or just vibing across Kansas chasing superchargers and sunsets. Next up, 3D Supercharger Maps. These things actually look great. You get stall layout, lot orientation, and a sense of how chaotic the parking lot is going to be before you even arrive. It's basically a preview of your future social anxiety. Pair that with automatic HOV lane routing, and you've got a car that not only knows where you're going, it also knows the smarter lanes to get you there. Assuming you're allowed an HOV, of course, don't at me with tickets. The quiet MVPs of this update are the quality of life upgrades. The phone warning saves you from leaving your life support device behind. Location-based charging limits save your battery and your brain. Dog mode live activity saves your peace of mind. The car just feels a bit more grown up. Like it realized it's not just a toy, it's also your daily driver, your road trip buddy, and occasionally your mobile office. Then there's the holiday chaos. Fire up the updated light show, hit record, and boom, instant content. Launch Tesla photo booth, throw on a Santa hat, and now your car is a Christmas card generator. Boot up SpaceX docking simulator and pretend you're bringing a capsule into dock while you're actually just waiting for your grocery pickup. And don't forget Paint Shop. Spend 5 minutes convincing yourself you totally would have gone with ultra red if you'd known, while your current color silently judges you. So here's the EV Trek Adventures verdict on 2025.44.25.1, tested on a 2022 Model 3 with Hardware 3. This is one of the most well-rounded holiday updates we've had in a while. You get genuinely useful navigation and routing options, real quality of life improvements for daily use, a full set of fun holiday toys, photo booth, light show, paint shop, SpaceX sim, and dog mode upgrades, and importantly, Hardware 3 actually gets the good stuff this time. For me, this update is a win. This has been EV Trek Adventures, where we test Tesla updates on real roads in real weather with real Kansas wind trying to rip the door out of your hand. If you want more Tesla deep dives, full self-driving road tests, and EV road trips, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and tell me in the comments, which new feature should I push to the limit next? Grok Navigation, SpaceX Docking Simulator, the Light Show? I'll see you on the next trek.